The
I
potato.
cannot eat more than that. I cannot get fat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
So. Oh.
that's good. It's super dessert.
Halo semuanya, cah manis, cah ayu, cah ganteng, cah jomblo.
Cah jomblo.
Piye kabarera? Wes, podo kangen sampe aku yo. Ya ampun. So sweet loh, so sweet banget. Bosku bilang katanya kemarin itu banyak yang nyariin aku. Apalagi itu tuh yang jomblo. Ya iyalah, aku bilang sama bosku, pada nggak punya orang buat dikangenin, ya udah kangenin Mawardi aja. Masak ya. Hari ini aku tak masakkan candil. Enak tenan. Ya jadi ceritanya itu aku tuh sudah masak 2 kali loh. 1 kali aku masakin buat Mas Thiago sama Mbak Jennifer. Terus yang selanjutnya itu aku masakin buat Bos Bule, Mas Alex sama Mas Nate. Saiki aku cuma mau bilang itu aja, soalnya instruksi itu udah pada tahu ya semuanya. Jadi cuma butuh ubi sama tapioka. Videonya yang sekilas, jadi tahu kurang lebihnya. Kan pada kangen sama aku yo. Apa pengen tak nyanyiin? Nanti sakit hati loh. Kamu masih jomblo ay.
The
I
potato.
cannot eat more than that. I cannot get fat. I've been eating I already ate like Japanese food like 5 seconds ago.
No, yeah. That's like just
What is
eat
this?
when you're hungry. Yes, try it once.
Do I need to like dump it?
No. It's different. It's sweet. It's sweet. You do it and you're gonna regret it. What you do?
It doesn't taste.
Yeah,
It doesn't taste.
yeah, I know. I told you it's sweet.
It's so good though.
This one you have to try. Yeah, take a spoon or something. Thiago just ate and he has to try all the food.
Oh my god, what is this?
Yeah. The challenge is, guys, when you're not hungry, you try food. Sometimes it doesn't surprise you at all. Look at his expression. Just chew your temper first.
It looks weird. It looks like you're cooking something and didn't work that well.
Thank you.
It was really good though.
You like it? It's a Kolak Candil.
This thing, I have no idea what it is at all.
It's actually made from yam, and I
Oh.
mix it with tapioca flour.
And what is this? Like the liquid?
The liquid,
It doesn't taste like. It looks like chocolate, but it doesn't taste chocolate.
it's not because it mixed with the brown sugar, coconut milk.
I can tell the coconut.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Yeah, but it's the coconut milk.
No, it's a good dish. It's a good dish though.
Yeah, and
What is this one? The
it's
same?
the same. It's just
Oh, so
like
this
two
is for like
portions.
Jenny.
Yeah.
Or like Mama T. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
I like this one,
Sure.
but I do know that like Jenny's gonna like more, and Mama T probably like more.
I guess.
Because I am more like a salty guy, so this thing, I'm not gonna eat it. That's for sure gonna eat it.
No, I'm just gonna explain something. I think Jennifer might know it. Do you know Ramadan tea?
No.
Yeah.
Do you know Ramadan?
Of course I know Ramadan.
No, what is it?
What is? Yeah, tell him.
It's like a month where you fast.
Yes, for the Muslim people. So
Because Islam is Muslim.
yeah, Islam is Muslim. That's what she knows. The Ramadan in Indonesia also like a lot of Muslim people not eating, not drinking tea. Can you do that? So this one is the what we Indonesian, the Muslim Indonesia normally try when they break their fasting. So that's why I'm gonna make it the one, and I want you to try.
This is normal.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
It's super dessert.
Dessert.
You know, because it's sweet, you can eat it like after you break your fast or after you eat your meal and then eat that.
It's good.
Just like
Not
that.
my favorite, but it's really good.
What's your favorite?
If it's a little bit more sweeter. But it's really good.
You know what? Moist eater?
Moist?
What did you say?
It was more sweeter.
Oh, it is sweet?
Not as sweet.
She
Oh.
want more sweet.
More sweet.
Oh, you like more sweeter?
Like
Oh my
Jenny
god.
wants like until here of sugar.
Oh my god, that's a lot of sugar, yeah.
No, it's really good.
Yeah, it's the coconut milk with the brown sugar. It's actually like boba though. Bubble tea.
You like it? It's good.
Not my favorite dessert, but it's good. But I like this more.
Tempe. You like tempe.
Then thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thank you.
By the way, thumbs up. What will end your song? Well, thumbs up. Sponsor me. Thumbs up.
Yeah, we're still waiting for that, Thiago.
For your pop. K-pop.
K-pop. Momoland.
So
Oh my
cute.
god.
I need one more.
You text time and delivery like, I like it. Taha tried it and she was like, oh my god, I love that.
Jenny likes it.
Look, you when you eat it after you're fasting the whole day, it may be the thing that makes you really like it.
The funny thing about Jenny, because like Jenny right now, she's eating like this like non-stop. But then you're gonna see one thing.
What's
She's
that?
gonna get sick after like 2 hours. She's gonna like,
What?
I don't want more.
I'm
It's always like that. The only thing that you know like that is bubble tea and like salt on
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Indonesian fan. We're not
Yeah.
dating.
We're not dating.
Oh no, finally Jenny said it.
She's saying
Because
all
so Jenny says it's not her favorite, but just keep eating. See, she loves sugar.
She loves sugar.
I love sugar.
That's
One
why
more.
she tricks her to
You
keep
really like
eating.
that, huh?
So just like time and then you're just gonna eat it and eat it and eat it.
You like it. Why you don't eat like that, my food?
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Why don't you eat like that? That's for my food. I thought he's a good chef, Jess. No?
Sometimes.
You ate my steak like 300 times!
Okay, Java Queen.
Do you like it? Are you having tea now?
Yes, bubble tea.
Oh, you're gonna go for bubble tea?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. My name is Taha. I worked with Nancy and Nancy got me something very special for Ramadan. She actually promised me long back but she didn't get it and she got it this time for me. I'm gonna show you what it is. I'm super excited and I really don't know how it tastes. This is the main meal. She got me the name. It's called Nasi Padang. Yeah, that's what she said. It's called Nasi Padang. It has meat, it has dragon fruit, it has fruits, it has a boiled egg which is made with chili sauce and it has rice, cucumbers. I'm really excited to have it. And she also got me another thing. This thing. I'm really not sure how you say that, but I'm just gonna read it, Nancy. I'm sorry. It's called Kolak Candil. No, Kolak Candil. It smells amazing. I was fasting. I just came home and I started smelling it. It smells amazing. I can smell coconut. I can smell coconut oil. I don't know what, but I can smell that. It's amazing. You guys should see this. Wow. You guys should actually see this. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it. I don't know how it tastes because it's the first time I'm gonna have an Indonesian dish. Let's do it. Yum! It's so good! I can taste coconut. I can taste... It's so good. Wow. It has, I think, sweet potatoes. Yeah, that's what she sent me. It has something, this one. Wow. I'm in love with this. It's too good.